Okay, so here is my thoughts on this wig. And y'all normally know I don't do talking like this because, you know, I just be a little nervous. But okay, so one, this hair is bomb. Do y'all see this? Okay, it's got inches. It's inches. My number one negativo. This thing is so big, y'all. Like, I'm about to show y'all. I have my hair in a ponytail, which y'all seen. I can put my whole hand back here and I still have extra cap. Like, it is so big. It's big hair friendly. If you got a big old head, baby, or you got a lot of thick hair or something like that, baby, this is for you, honey. This is for you. For me, I don't have a big head, so it's just not for me, y'all. V-part wigs, it's not for me, y'all. Because one, yeah, my hair sort of kind of blends in, but the V part, y'all, my V is like way over here because it just would not sit in my head properly because, like I said, it's too big. It's really too big on my head. It's just too big, y'all. I'm so upset that it's so too big that it don't even make sense that I can't really wear like I want to wear it. Then, y'all, my leave out, I had to like, y'all, it's just so much. Like, y'all might think this look good, but to me in my camera it does not. So I had to like pull my hair and like tuck behind my ear and then pull the hair forward. And even with doing that, I'm just nervous that if the wind blows the wrong way, baby, this coming off with it. I'm just letting y'all know. Y'all, I'm just really not so pleased, I guess you can say, because it's just so big. If it wasn't as big and it fit my head, y'all, I might just be in love, because the hair itself is nice, y'all. It had minimal shedding. I didn't even really do much to this hair. I didn't wash it. I just wet it because it was just so pretty out the pack. But it's so freaking big on my head, and that's such a disappointment to me, y'all. It's such a disappointment. But I mean, it don't look bad. It's just not to my liking. I'm just not a V-part girl. It's just not for me. Yeah, if I hear that weird noise, because my dog is down here in a cage. She going through a thing, so she's down there. Other than that, this hair is not that bad. I mean, if you know how to finesse it, you finesse it, shorty. That's cool. That's all good. But yeah, so if it wasn't that big, y'all, I would be okay with this wig. It's just entirely too big for my head. I would have to figure out a way to maybe sew inside my cap to make it fit my head a little tighter, which I've done that before, so maybe that's what I'll do next time I try to wear it. I'll try to like sew in it to kind of make it smaller. But if it's, you just need to get up and go somewhere, baby, this is what you use, honey, because it ain't that bad, you know. You just gotta cover up the little spaces, which I think I did pretty well. Plus my hair is almost this texture, so you can't even see it. Like, I feel it, but y'all can't see it. Y'all feel it? Y'all see that? Y'all cannot see it if your hair is this texture. I mean, it's cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's just too big for my head. So it's upsetting. It's too big for my head. But if it wasn't too big, y'all, this would be the move. It's just so big that I don't know what to do with the front of it because it's so big and the back is hanging so low. Like, it's so big, y'all. I can clip it on, but the clip don't even stay in because it's so big. And I got my hair braided down, and my hair is thick. As y'all see, my braid is thick. I have really thick hair, so if it don't stay on like that, y'all, I'm scared the wind gonna blow my woo like a big mama, y'all. But yeah, other than it being too big and I feel like it's gonna slide off my head, it's nice, it's cute, and it's something to go. You know, if you want to go. But other than that, it's nice. Y'all, it's really long and pretty much goes to my butt. Y'all can see that. But other than it being too big and me scared it's gonna fall off, it's definitely a nice quality hair. It's nice texture. It's just not little head friendly, y'all. It's not little head friendly at all. But other than that, it's cute. You just gotta know how to finesse it on there, baby. Just finesse it. Something cute to throw in your head and go. Alright, y'all, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We hope to see you next time. Ready? Bye.
Bye. I ain't working 10 press, baby, we are not the same. You be stacking just to flex, had to get it on my own, so I'm mapping out the quest, and I ain't never laying up. I'm stomping that on bitches' neck, heard his threats, but it ain't no way I can't.